everyone! In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix the Instagram DM glitch. The first thing you want to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak, Instagram DMs may fail to send or load. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Once you've switched, restart Instagram and try sending a message again to check if it works. Next, update Instagram. Outdated versions of Instagram can cause glitches with features like DMs. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and make sure you are using the latest version. After updating, restart the app and test your DMs to see if the glitch is fixed. Next, clear the cache or reinstall the app. If you are using an Android device, clearing the app cache can often fix bugs. To do this, go to Settings, tap Apps, select Instagram, go to Storage, and then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iPhone users, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once you've done that, open Instagram again and try sending a message to see if the issue is resolved. Another quick fix is logging out of your account and logging back in. To do this, go to Settings and scroll all the way down and tap Logout. After a few seconds, log back in and test your DMs again. If none of these steps work, it could be a temporary issue on Instagram's end. So give it a little time and try again later. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram DM glitch. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.